What's goody good, y'all? I am in the Honda right now, and I'm actually headed to the Tom Wood dark meat. Now, every year we have a light meat and we have a dark meat, and it ain't for food. But yeah, basically all the local Subaru people come out, and then we just go and hang out. This is the first year that I haven't had the Subaru that I'll be attending, so I'm gonna park out in the back. But plus me and Tom Wood, yeah, we've got like this in. They treated me pretty last time. So, but normally I go there and I make like a cinematic type video. But I think we're just gonna go there, vlog, maybe talk to some of the owners, and then get the rollout. Everybody loved that one last year. So, all right, let's just get right into it. Alright, so I made it out here. Let me show you. It's pretty simple out here, just pretty chill. It's kind of cold out here now, so I wouldn't expect like all the big boys to be out here. But let me show you what we got, and we'll go around and do that. A lot of normal stuff right here. Like, this is a lot of. There goes Lucas leaving. Pretty basic, huh? It's Jared Nix's. This is not basic here. Let's see this one here. Check them lights out. I need to put them on the back of my car. So all these people got these bright headlights on. They can flash at them. Looks good though. That was Brandy's car. Pretty stealthy like. All right. And then you guys have seen this guy. He's been blowing up on TikTok and Instagram. Joe. I can't say your last name, so I won't. But yeah, he's been doing real good on TikTok and everything. And mainly Instagram. Got a Super pulling up. Sounds great. Anyways, though, go check him out. I'll put him at the bottom here. He's a local photographer, and he does a great job, great job showing off his skills on editing and all that stuff. And we got some other regular stuff over here though. Yeah. This is the craziest looking Subaru I've seen. Looks great though. Very nice. And we got a Subaru right here. A Subaru. If you're wondering what I mean by Subaru, it's a WRX body, but the front is actually Saab. Still a Subaru power plant. Pretty cool, pretty different. There we go. Like I said, just a lot of kind of like your basic cars, but I know they just got this one back together, and they got the little STI wheels on there. Real nice like. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, boy, you got his car back. I know this one just got pretty sure this one just got a engine put in it like this week. This fitment looks great. He did real good on that. And then he's got this one here. Got a real nice livery, is that how you say it? Looks good. I like this as well, looks really good. All right, let's go inside. Everybody is inside and getting Got a raffle going on. A lot of blue Subis. Really makes me want to wrap mine still. We'll see, we'll see. But okay. This is this is Eric's lady's beater. She ran through some water on her FRS, her boosted FRS. So now she's riding in that. And she's got a right-hand drive car as well. A Sylvia. Caleb, his car. AOWRX on Instagram. For sale right now. Very clean. Very, very, very clean car. One of the few camber guys out here. Look at that. An H6 into the 2-door. Very clean, very nice. I don't know what this Hummer's doing here. It's always here though. There's a bunch of people in here. I'm good on this. I'm gonna go out there and go get some photos. Tons of people. I'm not entered into it, so I'm good. I'm gonna go out here and go get some pictures real quick, and then we'll post them up. So let's go. Check out this Subaru. Very old school, very clean. Very clean. Hey, it looks great. Look at that. That's nice. Old school. Got the 4-wheel drive. I can't even see it. That's what's up. Super cool, super cool. Check out the emblem.
Dude, I paid like, yeah, because I paid like $7.
Got my mist filter on, but I wanted to show these guys off a little bit. Very nice, very nice. I like this little Miata here. Very cool seeing the Sylvia out here. Very nice, very nice. And I posted this one up earlier on Instagram. I don't know whose this was, but I seen it. It was really nice. There's something you don't see often. Subaru pulling something. Not much, but perfect.